Here's a closer look at that Little League baseball diamond. Back off a little bit here. See if you see, it's right across from the Pony League high school baseball diamond. Playground is over there. Showed you that earlier. And over here used to be a picnic area. They don't even have picnic tables there anymore, so. But look at all the trees. Oh, squirrels are very populated here. And on the other side of the woods is Whitelet Creek that we crossed over on the walkover bridge. But they're going to change these baseball diamonds into cricket courts, which is an ongoing thing. It's a fad that's happening, and I think it's a good fad. You see, they've already started tearing down the fences. It's already well lit, so I think it'll be fun. Okay, in the next video, I'll show you the other baseball diamond. I think that they're going to change into another cricket court. And there's the apartments that I live in, apartment building I live in.